Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix Messenger not sending photos. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the device settings application and then scroll down a little bit. Here, access the apps section and look for Messenger. Once you find it, tap on the Messenger app, access the permission settings and enable all of the available permissions. This will ensure Messenger has the necessary access to send photos. Then, get to the bottom of the Messenger app info, select storage and tap on Clear Cache. After that, also clear the app data, but note that your Messenger account will be logged out after doing this. At last, get to the Messenger app tile, tap and hold it, and then uninstall it. You can then install the Messenger app again from the App Store or Play Store. This will reinstall the app and may help fix the issue of Messenger not sending photos. So that's basically how you can fix Messenger not sending photos. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.